Women empowerment. Women empowerment is the process of enabling women to control their own lives, make informed decisions, and achieve their full potential. It involves addressing the social, economic, cultural, and political barriers that prevent women from participating fully in society. Empowering women is essential for promoting gender equality, reducing poverty, and promoting sustainable development. If we talk about history of women empowerment, the women's empowerment movement has its root in the 19th century. Women's suffrage movement. The movement gained momentum in the 1960s and 1970s with the rise of feminism. The United Nations played a crucial role in promoting women's empowerment through various conventions and declarations, including the Convention on Eliminating of All Forms of Discrimination Against Women in 1979, the Beijing Declaration and Platform for Action in 1995. Key areas of women empowerment. Education. Access to quality education is essential for women's empowerment. Next is economic empowerment. Women's participation in the workforce, entrepreneurship, and access to financial resources. Next, political empowerment. Women's representation in politics, leadership positions, and decision-making processes. Next is social empowerment. Challenging societal norms, addressing gender-based violence, and promoting women's rights. Health and well-being, access to health care, reproductive rights, and mental health support. Benefits of women empowerment. Economic growth. Women's participation in the workforce increases GDP. Reduced poverty. Empowered women invest in their families and communities. Improved health. Educated women make informed health decisions. Enhanced political participation. Women's representation leads to more inclusive policies. Social justice. Empowered women challenge discriminatory norms. Challenges to women empowerment. Patriarchal societies. Entrenched gender roles and stereotypes. Lack of access to education and healthcare. Violence against women, physical, emotional, psychological abuse. Economic inequality, limited job opportunities, and unequal pay. Political exclusion, underrepresentation in leadership positions, strategies for women empowerment. Education and training programs, economic empowerment initiatives, advocacy and policy reforms, community engagement and mobilization, support services like healthcare, counseling. At last, women empowerment is a critical component of achieving gender equality and promoting sustainable development. Addressing the challenges and implementing effective strategies can lead to a more equitable society where women can thrive or reach their full potential.